This is like the first trial run that I'll be working on. I feel like if I just kind of record my session, I can chop something up from there. I want to go up this hill because there's a pretty cool view up here. Yeah, it's quite the view.
Wow!
Pretty rad. Probably get some between here. I need to get out and hike more. My cardio is pretty weak sauce right now.
You're the weak.
I wish I had a gimbal, because then it would make this whole thing look so much smoother. But, ooh, yeah, that'll look dope. Idea is aim toward the sky, tilt down while walking forward, and rolling. It's tough shooting without a subject. Sick. What if I get some moss? Racking focus is nice because then you can kind of pull attention with what's in focus. I can rack focus closer to blur it, and then you can draw attention to the background. If it were a little later, I'd be able to see up on the hillside and focus on those power lines, but it's a bit too bright. And I don't have an ND filter. This will look pretty cool. Under this bridge, apparently there's somebody who was building a half pipe that didn't end up turning out all the way well. I want to go down there and get some photos and video. Sunday morning, hallelujah! I think the skate spot is down there. To go or not to go? What time is it? 6:48. And I don't have any plans, so looks like we're doing it.
You need a girlfriend.
Do people hit this with their bikes? Holy crap. That's nuts. I don't know why I'm just shooting on the 10-18 today. I'm feeling a bit wide. Wide he. Wide ho.
Shut the f*** up! Hey!
Did somebody really ride this on their bike? If somebody has, that's terrifying. Even just me walking down this, it's like sketchy. Getting up this is gonna be a bit. Okay, so there. I mean, look at that. Wild. Damn. Trying to get down all this stuff. Yeah, dude. I knew this bridge would look dope. If I can just find some... Actually, even with the trees, it looks kind of sick. What if I'm like here? Oh my god, that looks dope-ish. If I get those signs in the corner. Yeah, but look at that though, dude. That's a dope-ass shot.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Change this lens. I mean, just look at that. That looks so dope. Look at this. Dope. Oh, it's all blown out. I hate that about the mirror cameras, dude. Okay. I think that stuff looks pretty dope. Nice. I didn't realize I could do that. Oh, I learned things. I thought that you couldn't take pictures with the screen on with this camera. Now I thought that was gonna be some straight up stupid dookie buttered dog. Turns out I was the stupid dookie buttered dog shit. I hate when that happens. Yeah, I don't know what it is about that paint reflection on the wall there, but that looks dope as fuck. What if it's like, if I get a bit closer, if I'm here? All right, yeah, if I had a ND filter, I think that these would look a bit more dynamic, but this paint looks pretty dope. I wonder what that looks like. See, dude, if somebody actually like turned this into a half pipe, this would be like the sickest, like you could just chill under here, no rain. If you put a quarter pipe at the end, and then this could be like a half pipe, and then this could be like a spine down onto like flat, and then up to a fun box with like a rail and stuff, and then you could put like a quarter pipe over here too. Yeah, I don't know, it's kind of cool. Look at that water with the right light reflection on there. If I could get over there in time. Yeah, I'm not very big on it. Look at all this shit. There's just so much trash.
The people are dirty, ignorant, and savage.
Dude, that skeleton, that's dope. You can kind of see me a little bit. I saw it.
I saw it.
Yeah, I think this will be an interesting video because it'll be like vlogish, but like not-ish. Yeah, whoop, I almost twisted my ankle. I think if I can zoom in on that petty flow or ready flow. All right. My camera's getting low on battery, so that probably means everything's getting low on battery.
Rookie mistake, mate.
And I think I'm gonna take like 1 or 2 more pictures and call it good. Or maybe even just take this shot. Damn, this looks dope as shit. It's kind of funny how everything at Golden Hour just looks amazing. Hell yeah. I think I'll continue walking, but this bad boy is about to die. Yeah, I think I got some pretty good shots. I mean, this spot just looks sweet. All right, so now let's try and climb this hill that we came down. So I hopefully not die. I mean, look at that. It looks so dope. Yeah, good spot. All right, Golden Hour achieved. I can't even imagine riding a bike down here.